Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to disable the auto zoom feature in the Waze app on your smartphone. If you find the automatic zooming while driving distracting or unhelpful, this step-by-step guide will help you turn it off. First, open the Waze app on your phone. Once the app is open, look to the top left corner and tap on the three horizontal lines. Next, from the menu options, scroll down and tap on Settings. Then, find and select Map Display. Finally, locate the Auto Zoom option within the Map Display settings. Tap the switch to turn it off. Once disabled, Waze will stop adjusting the zoom level automatically during your drive. That's all it takes to disable Auto Zoom in Waze. We hope this tutorial made it easy for you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more guides.